The central and the state bodies of political parties are taking divergent stand on the issue of Madhe in Goa. The BJP is questioning why central leadership of Congress is not supporting the Goa Congress. On the other hand, the alliance partner of NDA are blaming each other on the issue. The BJP and the Shiv Sena are blaming each other. Here's the report. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said Goa cannot stop Karnataka from using water of Madhe river flowing in their state. And while justifying his pro-Karnataka stand, BJP organization has turned its guns against the Congress. It is asking why central leadership of Congress is silent while Goa and Karnataka Congress are taking opposite stance.
They are talking in different terms. Karnataka wants water. Goa Congress says there is no water. They are criticizing our Chief Minister. And they way. So three different arms, they have three different stands. One has no stand at all. So let them come to a unique stand. What is their unique stand about this water? So simply, काय करूनी पाहिजे काँग्रेसी.
पण माझी कर्नाटकच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे काँग्रेसच्या एक मागणी असा. ताणें सरळ आमका म्हादयचे उदक नाका अशें म्हणून पत्र आमच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाक पाठवचें. आमचो भारतीय जनता पार्टी म्हणून आणि गोवा सरकार म्हणून जो विषय हा वो म्हादय रिवर डायवर्ट ना करपाचो विषय असा. जी रिवर ऑलरेडी 35 किलोमीटर त्यांच्या भितर असा. तातूंतले उदक जर फाल्यां कोण पंपान काडीत, कोळसुरेन काडीत किंवा बाकीच्या हेर गोष्टींनी काडीत जाल्यार आमी आडोवंक शकतात काय कितें?
Even before Congress could speak against the CM statement, BJP's NDA partner at the centre, the Shiv Sena, condemned the BJP. They want to start an independent agitation on the issue to expose their alliance partner, the BJP in Goa.
आज तांणी ज्या म्हादई इशूचेर जो सडनली यू टर्न घेतला तातूंतल्यान तांचे आज खरे रूप आज एक्सपोज जाता. शिवसेना तांच्या वक्तव्याचो आज निषेध करता.
आणि हांव फुडें म्हणूंक सोदता की हाज्या फुडें जर यदा कदाचित आमची हाज्या लेटरा खातीर किंवा वक्तव्या करता ताज्या खातीर केस वीक जाली आनी आमी हरले जाल्यार मनोहर पर्रीकार हाका पूर्णपणे जबाबदार आसतलो. हाजे फुडें आमचें प्लॅनिंग आसा. आमी आतां इंडिविज्युअल म्हणजे शिवसेने मार्फतूच म्हादयच्या इशूचेर आमी आंदोलन करपाचें आसा आनी ते आमी वेगळ्या पद्दतीन करूंक सोदता. ते येणाऱ्या काळान सगळ्यांक कळटलें.
Our video journalist Yashwant Parab in Panji.